back with us here on News Live. Peace advocates are joining hands to push for the passage of the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law. They have scheduled a peace march to the Batasang Pambansa this coming Monday, May 11, the date when the House Ad Hoc Committee votes on the BBL. More details from Christine Santos.
The Ad Hoc Committee on the Bangsamoro Basic Law at the House of Representatives is set to vote on the proposed measure on May 11. Along with this, different groups organized a march to show their support for the Bangsamoro Basic Law. These groups believe it is now high time to unite in achieving peace in Mindanao.
We want all-out peace and justice in the Bangsamoro homeland.
We are joining the mobilization on May 11 because we want to see these dreams for a better life fulfilled, of women and their kin having gainful employment, of their children going to school uninterrupted. We share these visions and these dreams. Hence, we will be there on May 11 to call on our lawmakers to pass the Bangsamoro Basic Law.
Aside from the Moros, the groups also urged Christians to join the activity.
We, especially here in Christian Philippines, we should all the more pass this one because we are now also in the Easter season, and our leader Jesus Christ has been saying, peace, peace that all may be one. So if you want to be a true Christian, let us pass this one.
In the Mindanao Alliance for Peace, the BBL passage will make a way for the Moros living in Manila to go back to a peaceful Mindanao.
Ang panawagan po namin ngayon sa lahat ng mga kapatid naming mga Bangsamoro na nandirito. Sila po ay nandirito hindi dahil sa gustong-gusto nila dito, pero sa 48 years of conflict in Mindanao, nagiging evacuate sila. They cannot just easily decided to go back to their farms in Mindanao because bukas makalawa bumabagsak mga kanyon at mga bomba gawa ng conflict sa Mindanao.
The group reiterated that the proposed law is a product of a long process of negotiation. They said it should not be affected by the bloody Mamasapano encounter, wherein 44 staff commandos had died. The march was set on Monday, 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon in front of the House of Representatives.